Hello artists, today we are going to draw a court jester juggling balls. You will need your art journal or a piece of paper, approximately 9 inches by 12 inches, a pencil, an eraser, a black permanent ink marker, and crayons, the 3 primary colors, red, blue, and yellow, and then green, violet, orange, and a black crayon, possibly, and also something, a small circle to trace. I'll be tracing a quarter. Let's get started. Okay, you need to find the center of your page. If you point right to the center, you're going to want to bring your pencil there and draw a short curved line like this. Then you'll draw a curved line out on each side. This is for the jester's hat. Come up and around, come up and around, and now draw a curve up at the top as well. That'll be the hat. The next thing you'll do is draw a U shape for the jester's face. You want to draw the jester's hair. Draw a hairline like that. Add 2 eyes. I like to do a football shape like this. Make the irises or the colored parts of the eyes up at the top so it looks like the jester is looking up at the balls that he was juggling. Now you'll add the rest of the facial features. You can add a nose, the ears, and a mouth. Next you'll want to add 2 lines to make a neck, and then draw a zigzag collar. So the collar will go like this. You'll draw 2 vertical lines for the jester's body, and then you'll want to draw arms and hands. So we'll make the arms like this. The shirt will come up like this, sort of like a V. Want the arms pointing up because the balls will be up here in the air. And you'll want to draw hands. Notice I am using my pencil, and that way if you make a mistake, you will be able to erase it. And then we'll draw the bells by putting a circle at the end of each point on the hat and on the points of the collar. And then we'll put a little X inside to make it look like bells. And then the next thing that we'll want to do is add 6 balls. And you can take a quarter or something else. You could just draw circles, but if you want them all to be the same, it does help to have something to trace around. I've chosen 6 because I want to use the 3 primary colors and 3 secondary colors. Okay, so we have all of those, and now it's time to go over our pencil lines with a Sharpie marker. Once we have them all drawn in place, then we'll be able to erase the pencil lines that we don't want. Before we begin coloring, we do want to add the X's inside the little circles at the ends of the collar and the hat. The regular size Sharpie marker, the line's a little bit thick, so I'm using an ultra fine point just to put the X's in. So it makes it look like those are bells. And I am going to use a tan color for the face. I want to do the hands as well. I'm going to begin by actually coloring the balls in. And I'm going to leave a little spot that's white. By leaving the little bit of white here, it makes it look like the ball is in motion. And there it is, all colored in. If you have any spots where you went out of the lines, you can go over again. I might just want to do that anyway to thicken up these outside lines. Okay, all the color has been added. If you'd like, you may leave it this way with the white background, Another option, if you have a piece of black construction paper, would be to cut this out and cut out all the circles and glue them onto black construction paper. That really makes the colors pop. Another thing that you could do if you'd like is to color in the background, and if you want to give it a little texture and you happen to have produce netting on hand, you could put it underneath and then just start at the top and add a pale background color. I'm using sky blue. Okay, so it's all colored in. One more thing that you can do to make it look like the balls are in motion or add lines like this. And you could also outline the white part here if you wanted.